Well, today I'm going to talk a little bit about the Ford Lightning. Right now I'm standing in front of the front trunk, or as we like to call it, the frunk. And look how much room is in here. Plenty of room. If you're taking your children to your sporting events on the weekend for their tournaments, plenty of room for your cooler, plenty of room for your suitcases, the sporting equipment. Now if you want to come around here and take a look, if you look inside, you're also driving in luxury as you go to those events. Look at that nice touchscreen. Look at the leather. Everything's power. And if you come back here, look at the room in the back for the kids. Plenty of room. So you're actually driving in a luxury vehicle. And don't forget, here at Riverhead Ford, when we are selling these electric vehicles, we like to talk about the 3 S's. The 3 S's are save, save, and save. You're going to save on your fuel bill for the year. You're going to save on your yearly maintenance bill, and you're also going to save on the cost of the vehicle between the $15,500 rebate that is available on most models if you qualify, and you're going to save on your interest rates. Low financing is available on the Lightning. So come on down, speak to one of our certified salespeople. We'll work out a great deal for you, and we'll go over the whole car. And let me tell you a little story. I had a customer at my desk the other day. He always comes up when he's in for service, sits at my desk and has a couple of cups of coffee. Well, he didn't even finish his first cup of coffee, and the service came up and said, "Your vehicle's all done." And he almost fell on the floor because he's usually sitting there for 2 hours. There's nothing to do on the vehicle. They rotated his tires, they actually changed his windshield wipers, and they checked his washer fluid, and it was all no charge because he used his points that he earned when he bought the vehicle. So come on down and take advantage of that also. We'll see you when you get here.